Welcome back, and in this video we are going to talk about top 5 programming languages that is best suited for machine learning coming up. Alright, let's get into the video. So almost any programming language can be used to develop machine learning based application. But it is quite challenging to write all the algorithms from very scratch, and it is time consuming. So the best suited programming languages for machine learning are those languages which has support to many different libraries and has advanced features to support data models and other features of machine learning. So GitHub recently announced their top 10 machine learning languages based upon the contribution the users made. And in this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 from those lists. So let's get started from the number 5th. So number 5th programming language for machine learning is C Sharp. So C Sharp is a programming language that is developed by Microsoft. C Sharp can be used to develop web apps, mobile applications, your desktop applications, your phone apps. You can develop anything from C Sharp. Also, with the introduction to ML.NET, which is an entire framework to build your machine learning models, it has helped .NET developers to get into machine learning. So since it has a good audience of guys coming from Microsoft background, that is why I believe it has taken the position of 5th number. The 4th one is I know you're gonna love it, it's JavaScript. Now JavaScript is the most used scripting language on the web development. Almost everyone knows how to work on JavaScript, little or more, and have a good reach, and this program has almost a good reach to everyone. Now with the advancement of Angular and React, JavaScript has reached a really new level. Also it supports libraries like TensorFlow. TensorFlow recently released their TensorFlow.js, which means you can now code the TensorFlow on your web applications. Now that is really helpful for the guys who are coming from web development background. So even now they have an edge. If they know JavaScript, they can move into machine learning also. If you're hearing some knock sound, I'm really sorry. There's some guys at the top, there's some knocking. I'm really sorry for that. The third one is everyone loves this language and everyone works on it, and that's the Java. Java has probably more than 9 million developers across the globe. It is a very powerful language. You write one and run anywhere. People love writing coded Java, and companies have been doing very good in the field of this Java language. And if you know Java, it's not going to be that tough for you to move into machine learning, as Java has many good users, and so the contribution made in this community can be utilized, and that's why I believe it has the position of 3rd as a programming language. The second programming language happens to be C++. I know it might sound that C++ is a very basic language. How can this be used for the machine learning? But C++ also supports TensorFlow. Many guys use it. C++ is very powerful. I believe it is the first OOPS-based programming language everyone learned. I would highly suggest you to go onto GitHub and look for C++ machine learning. Just go and search over there. You'll find that people who know C++ are really contributing a lot on this platform, and there are good ways. And since C++ has very good algorithms, we learned algorithms like binary sort or quick sort in C++ language, so that is why I believe that it has reached the 2nd place. Now you might think, alright, I talked about the 4 places, but which language is going to take the 1st position? I think you might be confused between 2 languages. Now I guess those 2 languages would be Python and R. So according to the GitHub's contribution by the report that they have given, the 1st position is taken by, give a guess, it's Python. It's not R, but it's Python. Python is very easy, it's very readable. People have been developing apps on Python for a really long time. Companies have been using it. They earlier used for Django web development, then they also use it for game development. People also use it for mobile app development. So it was quite easy for the Python developers to move into machine learning field. Also, Python has some very good library support like NumPy, SciPy, and Matplot, which help Python to reach at the top in this list. And I suggest you that if you want to learn machine learning, first learn Python and then move to the libraries. I have made a machine learning video on how to get started with it. I'll give the link in the description. Now, what about the R language? So in the list, R language has taken the 6th position. To my opinion, I believe why R could come in top 5 is because first, there are not many developers who write code on R as compared to the top 5 languages, and that may be the one of the reason that could not derive the community part. I mean, if there are not many developers working on R, it means there may not be good library support. People are not writing question and answer on the online forums. But I believe a couple of years down the lane, R will come as the top 5 languages of machine learning. I hope you now have an idea on which language you should choose to get into the field of machine learning. It does not matter, as I said in the beginning of the video, you may choose any languages, but writing code from very scratch takes a time. So think wisely, whichever language suits you best, choose for that and go for it. Thank you so much for watching. I upload videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.